Hey Facebook, YouTube. Today we are on a job that was a referral for Hardwood Refinishing, engineered, hand scraped. She's bought this house, as you can see. We're in Columbia, Illinois, in the subdivision called Bellinger. And nice neighborhood. Nice day actually today. I don't see any rain right now. But we got a total of 2,200 square feet all together, and we're going to be cleaning and buffing the hardwood engineered, hand scraped, and also some luxury vinyl tile downstairs. Let me show you what we're doing. So we're gonna be doing all this over here, this all right here. And the client does know that there is some imperfection in the wood itself, but we're gonna get rid of the residue, the debris, and pop a natural sheen in the floors, which is called aluminum oxide. So these floors are about 7 years old, pretty good condition. And we're gonna get rid of the imperfections in terms of the dirt, debris, soil load. And also guys, remember the cleaners that you use does create a buildup. And the only thing how to get rid of that is to do what we call a clean and buff. So we're gonna clean it and then we're gonna buff with our machine there, with a cotton pad to basically enhance the natural sheen of the floors, to pop the natural original texture. So as you can see right there, and this is just a regular satin sheen on there. And there is some noticeable, like stuff like this here. This should come off. You can just see my nail here. Clean the buff, should be able to get that off. Should be no problem. And you can see there's a lot of scratches in the wood itself, like right here. And I would also like right here, if you guys can see that, that should be able to buff out. So anything on the top surface should buff out, but anything inside the wood itself is cosmetic, and we can't reverse that because this is an engineered floor. So you can't sand it either. However, you can do a light screen and recoat, and then do some light color correction. But in this case, I would not advise it because it is only 7 years old. As you can see here, this is just a residue buildup, and that should be able to come off. See that? All right, guys, hope that added value to you and educate you guys. We're also gonna buff this as well as their luxury vinyl planks. We're gonna do a clean and buff, as you can see. Just on a buildup right there. We're gonna take care of that today for them. And that should do it. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're doing a clean and buff. We got some LVT luxury vinyl planks there. About 1,000 square feet down here. The client did just bought this house and called us to do a clean and buff to enhance the natural look of their floors and get all the residue off. As you can see there, we can get all that off for them. Just to pop the natural sheen of the floors. Got about a total of 2,200 square feet. And that's gonna do it. And also, it's also important whenever you call us, just to know the differences between the clean and buff, screen and recoat, and then a fully restoration sand and recoat. In this situation, it is engineered, which means it's engineered, hand scraped hardwood. So they already know you can't sand it, and they just want to get the residue, the soil, all that kind of thing off of the floors because they just bought it. And they just want to make it look, uniform. And that's what they called us. We were a referral, so we thank they're a referral if they're watching. Yeah, we're gonna make it look good again. So again, guys, hope that added value to you. If you guys need our service, please reach out. We love doing floors. We know them. We love them, and we can save your floors. And again, remember, guys, it's cheaper than replacement, especially with the supply problem right now. So again. We know floors, we love them, we can save them. So the most popular service we do, guys, is clean and buff, and also a screen and recoat. It's less invasive, it's cost appropriate, and it's cheaper than replacement, and not as messy as sanding. Now we do sand as well, but most of the time we do a screen and recoat or a clean and buff. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and see you in the next one. All right, guys, what a beautiful day out here. Let's get it. So you guys can see there's a lot of residue right there in the front there. I've already did this here, and just watch how this is all gonna go bye-bye. Just like a car, guys. Make sure you're maintaining your floors and get them clean and buffed to keep the residue off and extend the life of your floors for many years to come. In this situation, this client does have some light scratches in the on the surface of the hardwood, and because it is engineered, you cannot sand it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some color correction of approaches, and I'm going to do that complimentary for them since they are a new client and this is their they just bought this house. I'm going to go around and do some color correction on like these little light scratches right there, and over there as well, a couple other areas that I saw. So whenever you do a clean and buff, you actually enhance everything in the floors, and you'll be able to see everything clearly because all the residue in that film other cleaners is going to be removed. So once I get finished here and everything looks uniform, I'm going to go and fill all those in, and that will make everything look complete, uniform, and satisfactory. So little tip of the day, guys. Hope that added value to you. Thanks for watching. You guys having a great day? Bumping some engineered hardwood floors, hand scraped for a client that was a referral. They just bought this house, and floors turned out great. As you guys can see, this side I did, this other side I didn't. And again, the purpose of a clean and buff is to remove all the residue contaminants. I'll just stop this for a minute. As you can see here, look at the before and after, guys. You can see that line right there where I stopped. So this was already done, this side was not. Just look at that difference, guys. See that line right there? Absolutely amazing. Look at that. You can see there's just some imperfections there, some abrasions, scrape. And the reason why is a lot of times too, guys, whenever you put cleaners on the floor, it leaves a film. And the only way to remove that film is to periodically get it clean and buffed. And this floor is 7 years old, so obviously they never had that done. But anytime you buy a house or sell a home, it's always a good idea to get that done so you enhance the original texture of the floors, especially if it's engineered. So hope that added value to you, hope that it helped you. And again, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, we just got done cleaning and buffing this section here. Looks great. Stay tuned. I've already done that over there, nice and clean and buffed. We did that hallway, look at that natural sheen coming through, and haven't this foyer yet. It's coming out good, guys. You see those streaks right there, that wood, that'll all come out. Beautiful, guys. Again, she just bought this house and they want to get all the film, residue, and dirt off their hardwoods. This is an engineered hand scraped, and we just got done doing the hallway, and there are 2 closet areas. Now I will come back Friday and I'm going to take care of 3 areas of carpet for them, get the carpets clean, because they got furniture coming in on Monday. They got the cleaners coming in Saturday to clean. So I'm going to come Friday and take care of the carpets for, and then come back in 2 weeks on Friday and take care of their duct cleaning, their ducts and vents. And again, as always, it's always good to get that done if you buy a new house. That way you start fresh and clean. So I'll be taking care of that. She's got about 5,000 square feet. And if you ever utilize our service, we do give a little discount off of the square footage. Typically we charge 40 cents, but if you do a service like this here, we'll do it for 35 cents. So we're doing 35 cents square foot for the duct cleaning, and then we're gonna sanitize it afterwards, and that's for everything, the whole kit and caboodle. So if you guys need our service, whether it's hardwood, carpet, or duct cleaning, give us a call. We got you covered. Hope that added value to you guys. And she actually had another company that was gonna come out, but once she realized that we did that, and I gave her some information, she decided to go with us. So that's a blessing. And again, we're in Columbia, Illinois. And we have a lot of clients in this area. This is Bellinger, and we service a lot of clients here. And we were able to add her to the list of happy clients. And she was also a referral, so. And again, we're just removing the contaminants in the film, as you guys can see. Film on there. Scratch right there in front. Get her back in the safe zone there. It's a neutral cleaner and a cotton pad. We're able to isolate it and remove it safely. And all is well. All right, guys, stay tuned. Such a gorgeous day out here, guys. Actually, my client lives by a golf course, and everybody has a pool. Look at that, guys. Absolutely amazing. But we're gonna do the downstairs now, and we're gonna take care of their luxury vinyl plank floors, and it just has a buildup of residue and dirt and debris. We're gonna clean that for them, and they'll be good to go. All right, guys, stay tuned. Such a gorgeous day. All right, guys, we're gonna get ready and clean this luxury vinyl plank floors and get some results. Again, as you guys know, they are moving in, and they just want us to remove all the soil, dirt, and debris that's tracked in. As you guys can see right there, look at that, guys. We're gonna remove all that dirt and get it back to the original state. Stay tuned. Dirty water dump from those floors. Look at that, guys. All right, guys, it's going good. I'm gonna show you guys some results. As you can see, look at that residue gone. Look at that, guys. If you guys remember how it was before, nice and clean. That's what they want to see. I already finished up this area. And here, as you can see, it's drying. Look at that, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Back to the original state. I love it. All right, this is what we haven't done yet. As you can see all that, all those lines, those marks, and that soil. Look at that. That is why. Stay tuned. So yeah, guys, that's why. As you can see, look at all that residue. Oil, dirt, debris, over-the-counter cleaners. And again, never use anything except a neutral cleaner, like a Bona cleaner, or anything with a neutral in it. Don't use anything with acrylic, a Palmer, or a wax. That is a no-no. And this has a matte finish already on it, and this is a luxury vinyl planks. So do not put anything but neutral cleaner on this kind of floor, and that will help emulsify this. But over time, there is a film that builds up and residue attracts, and that's why a service like ours, like a full clean and extraction, will help it and get it back to this. Look at that, guys. You see a nice little sheen on there? That's the original state of protection, which is aluminum oxide. And also they have a little bit of, I think it's a 5 mil, like hard plastic on top of that from the manufacturer. So hope that had value to you guys. Again, if you want to prevent this, see that? Get it cleaned by us and we will solve the problem. And it also extends the life of your floors as well. So again, you guys can see, let me show you real quick. We've done this. We have not done this area right there. So kind of hard to see in the camera, but yeah, that little edge, especially when the light hits it, have not done that. And we're gonna get restored. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, check it out. Residue free. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, just got done doing this LVT vinyl plank floor, and she absolutely loves it. Back to the original state. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Watch this, guys. I'm gonna touch up this scratches right here. Voila.